plus 1 loin come together, then how many loins are in all? 3 loins. Next comes teddy bear. When 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus teddy bear come together, then how many teddy bears do you see in all? 5 teddy bears. Next comes umbrella. When 3 plus 3 umbrellas come together, then how many umbrellas do you see in all? 6 umbrellas. In the end, when 5 plus 5 cats come together, they add up to 10 cats. Did you enjoy the video? Tell us in the comments. In the next video, we will learn about basic subtraction.